Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can clear the Roblox cache if your Roblox app not working proper or they are slowing down. So I will show you the perfect process so you can improve your Roblox app performance. So I will show you step by step. So let me start with the video. So first come to the window and just come to the search bar and type for run. So this is a run system, just open it. Okay, and here we need to open app data. Just type the app data on this run and just open it. Now that we have the app data, now go to the local. Okay, and search for your Roblox app. Okay, this is a Roblox folder, just open it and now select all. Okay, and you can delete it. Okay, some file won't delete, so you need to give the permissions or make you can skip it. Okay, and now come to the app data, come to the local and find here Roblox app. If there is a Roblox folder, just open it and delete that all data. Okay, and from here also you can delete the all files from local. If some file won't delete, you need to skip it. Okay, and again you need to go in the run folder, system run. Here type the temp, just open it and select all files and delete that all files. If won't delete, just skip it. Now again come to the run, and now we need to enter the percentage temp. Again percentage, hit the enter. Now select all the file by clicking Ctrl plus A. Now you can delete it and you can skip which won't delete. Okay, now you can check your Roblox app. You can restart your PC and you can open the Roblox app. 100% will be perform well. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.